week.
Yeah, I plan on being there.
Okay.
Twice a week.
Yeah, if you're like me, so walk away. Don't do that.
20 years younger. That's cool. Look at it, it's a race. Yeah. See if it goes through there okay this time. Hey, he made it. All in one piece. Well, they're not derailing. I mean, they're not.
They're going to afternoon a week at the ballpark.
I do 1 day a week at the Buffalo. I wanted to add the Bible part, but I thought I want to keep my marriage too, so we had to. I got half the backyard. And then